Today we're making a creamy pumpkin vellutata, smooth, cozy, and full of autumn flavor. A simple recipe that warms your heart and fills your kitchen with comfort. For this recipe, you'll need fresh pumpkin, vegetables or chicken broth, a bit of heavy cream, salt and black pepper, almond flakes, a touch of nutmeg, fresh rosemary, and the leek for that delicate aroma. Start by peeling the pumpkin and cut it into small cubes. Then slice the leek into thin rounds. In a warm pot, drizzle some olive oil and add the leek. Let it sauté for a few minutes until soft and fragrant. Add a little broth, stir, and then add the pumpkin pieces. Pour in enough broth to cover the pumpkin completely. Cover with the lid and let it cook for about 25 minutes until the pumpkin is tender. When the pumpkin is ready, add salt, black pepper, and a pinch of grated nutmeg. Then pour in the cream and mix well. Now, transfer everything to a blender and blend until smooth and silky. In a hot pan, toast the almond flakes together with some fresh rosemary. This gives a wonderful crunch and aroma to the dish. Our vellutata is ready to serve. Add a swerve of cream on top, sprinkle the toasted almonds, and finish with a small sprig of rosemary. A warm, creamy, and aromatic bowl of comfort. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Together in Our Italian Kitchen for more delicious recipes from our home to yours.